a short guide to understanding Instagram marketing, podcast created by LogicBall AI. What started as a mobile app to share photos has evolved into a diverse social media platform. With over 2 billion users, about 60% of whom use the app daily, Instagram is the perfect platform to grow your audience and build brand awareness. In fact, 83% of users have said they discovered new products or services via Instagram. Do you want to put your brand in front of Instagram's engaged user base? It's easy to get started. Follow these tips to get started on Instagram. Create an Instagram business or creator account. With a business or creator account, you have access to additional insights, analytics, ability to advertise, and special profile benefits, such as contact info. Optimize your profile. Take the steps to optimize your profile so people can easily find you in search and learn about your business by looking at your profile. Use a recognizable profile picture. Have searchable username and name. Choose the correct category for your business. Write an engaging, descriptive bio. Include website and contact information. Decide which hashtags to use for posts. Hashtags help categorize your content. You can use up to 30 hashtags per post. Choose at least one relevant hashtag so that users can find your business. Get familiar with the types of posts on Instagram. There are a variety of ways you can share content and engage your audience on Instagram. Grid. Your grid displays photos and videos that appear on your profile. Your post can have captions with up to 2,200 characters. Keep in mind that the first 2 lines of your caption will appear before a read more prompt. Write the first 2 lines to be engaging or incite curiosity. Stories. Stories are photos or videos that disappear after 24 hours unless they are added to your profile highlights. You can post more often, more behind the scenes. IGTV. You can post vertical, longer form videos via Instagram's IGTV platform. These IGTV videos can also be displayed on your grid and stories. Reels. Instagram Reels are 15-30-second vertical video clips that can be shared on your stories as well. These are a great way to engage your current audience. From there, you can create a content schedule of what to post on Instagram. Types of content to post on Instagram. Behind the scenes. Post content that shows followers the behind the scenes of your company. Motivational. Curate shareable, inspirational quotes that align with your brand values and resonate with your audience. Add your company's branding to quote graphics you post on social media. Tutorial. Tutorials and how-tos guide your customers through specific problems. Tutorials are great targeted marketing examples because, prospects who land on a tutorial are there to solve a specific problem. Video. There are several ways you can add video to Instagram, including Instagram Stories, 60-second grid videos, 15-30-second Reels, or on IGTV. User-generated content, UGC. Sharing posts from your followers, UGC, can be a great way to build a relationship with those followers, engage with other followers, and effortlessly fill your content schedule. Case studies and testimonials. This type of content uses real stories to show followers about your product or service. Through real customer stories, you can show that you understand customer pain points. Storytelling. This type of content tells your brand story. Even though it's a story, there should be a lesson here. Storytelling content builds awareness and engages your prospective customers. By balancing between these types of content, you hit many goals, including expanding your reach, connecting with your customer, and telling them about your business. Overall, posting on Instagram humanizes your company through visuals. There are plenty of ways to grow your reach and market on Instagram. It's a dynamic platform that gives you many ways to connect with viewers and humanize your brand. Join LogicBall AI, where business meets intelligence. Subscribe now and stay ahead in the game. LogicBall is your gateway to mastering the business world with AI technology. Join the revolution.